Okay, it's a video about how to connect our RGB lights to our RGB controller. So our RGB controller, first of all, some of this stuff's going to be common questions people ask. You'll see two pigtails right here. These are paralleled internally. You can pick one or the other. If you have two lights, you can go ahead and connect those two lights. These wires do the exact same thing. Parallel means everything's connected color for color inside this on the circuit board. This is waterproof, okay? It can be mounted anywhere. You can spray this with a water hose, will not hurt it. You'll see these two little coiled up wires here. One is for the Bluetooth reception, one is for the remote control reception. So you got black, blue, green, and red. Black is 12 volt out. Really doesn't concern you, honestly. All you need to do is match these to the light, color to the color, but I'll go ahead and tell you this is 12 volt output. These three colors send ground signals. This is what's called a common anode LED controller. So common anode means 12 volts. These are ground signals. Okay, so you can use one. You can hook 4 lights to this, parallel all of them, meaning color to color, all 4 lights if you want, or you can put 2 and 2 or 1 and 3. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you're not using the other one, make sure you cap off all these individually so they don't short out. This regulator, it can run up to 4 of our RGB lights. Okay, it can run other things too. If you're doing a more complex system, just text us and we'll tell you, but you can run up to 4 like Dagons, four of anything of our RGB lights. Okay, talk about a little bit more here in a minute about what else this can do, but one of these for every 4 lights, and you'll need an amplifier, talk about that in a second, to do additional lights, but 4 no problem. You'll see a yellow and a black and a red. Black and a red goes to your power source. Okay, it's best to, if you're going to extend it, extend anything, it's best to extend the input wires. Leave all of this in the back of the boat. This is waterproof also. Leave all this stuff in the back of the boat. Run your power to this. Ground this close maybe. Run to 12 volts to wherever. You need to fuse it within 6 inches of your power. Let's just call it your battery. 6 inch your battery or your switch. Put a fuse on here. Instructions tell you what size fuse. If you don't know, ask us. Okay. On this, you'll see a black and a white. The black wire is 12 volts. Okay. This yellow wire is 12 volt output. Yellow to black. The black wire next to the yellow goes to the white. Yellow to black, black to white. Okay. If you get these backwards, it actually still works, but doesn't work correctly. So now, if you're doing more than 4 lights, you'll still keep this connected the way I just explained, but we'll add in this RGB amplifier. Okay, this one in particular has 4 complete channels, V positive, and then 4 signal wires. So that's red, green, blue, and white. On our lights, the way our LEDs are built, you'll only use 3 channels, but you can still produce the white color. It's a 6,000 Kelvin color temperature white. You'll just not use channel 4 for our stuff. Okay. You'll also see this connector on this back, on this side. Pretend like you don't see that. It doesn't do anything. Don't worry about it. Okay. Your input power goes right here where it says power, positive and negative. The yellow goes to positive, and if you get more than 4 lights, we'll give you another regulator. So what you'll do is you'll connect the yellow and the black to the positive and negative over here. Okay, so you'll have regulator, controller up to 4 lights, regulator, amplifier up to 4 more lights. And the way this thing works is you'll pick one of these pigtails, you'll go to the input and connect them under these little terminals. These little terminals pop off, by the way, to make life easier if you want to go ahead and connect these and then just plug them in when you get to that point. This part is not waterproof. Okay, just mount it up high or just don't get it wet. Okay, then you'll parallel all the connections for the other 4 lights, once again ignoring channel 4. So V positive, that's where the black wire goes. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. Okay, everybody says RGB. Okay, that means channel 1 is red, channel 2 is green, channel 3 is blue. RGB. Once again, channel 4 is not used. So you can parallel the power inputs if you want to both of these regulators, but these regulators have to be used. Please don't ask. They have to be used. One for every 4 lights, okay? If you want to add 44 lights, okay, you just keep buying these amplifiers for every 4 lights, and we'll give you this. You just have to buy this, and you have to buy that. But you'll receive it. We'll figure it out because we're in Texas, not China, and we'll send you the appropriate parts, okay? Go to youwanthelp.com, which if you're seeing this video, you already are. There's another complete video that explains every single thing about this controller, okay? How you can add this controller to multiple channels if you want to. You can do it where this controller, you put another controller and just keep on, so you can isolate these in zones, okay, like multi-zones. And there's a video that explains that. I'm not going to talk about it right now, okay? So instead of, say, hypothetically not using this amp, now we're talking about more advanced systems, but let's say you want 8 lights and you want 4 to do one thing and 4 to do the other. You would just buy another controller, use this, we'll give it to you, and you connect this controller to the other, and then you can use the app and create zones. When you see a multi-zone controller, all it is this circuit board in a bigger box times how, like say you had a 4-zone controller, where it's just this circuit board in a box times 4. So these are, you can just buy 4 of these and there's your multi-zone controller.